in 2026 here in Detroit. We're showcasing a lot of the haptics products we have and giving some customers previews of some of the audio products we have coming up as well.
Today we're showcasing our latest automotive qualified haptic driver that allow us to improve that user experience in the vehicles. And we have a few examples of how haptics is helping to improve the user experience, like smart seats, steering wheels, and smart surfaces.
Customers are really interested in how HMI is changing in the vehicle. There's a lot of discussion about how people are using their cars differently from just commuting to work. Some people here talking about how the vehicle is now the new break rooms, right? Rather than going to the break room at work, you now go sit in your car and watch Netflix on your big TV, on the big screen that you have in the vehicle. How can we as Cirrus Logic really enhance that experience to give you more of that living room experience or even your cell phone type experience?
We've got a big focus on our upgraded seat haptics demo. We've got some additional features, including probably the highlight for most people that visit the booth, which is the popcorn demo. Really something that is very memorable and lets people understand all the capabilities of our haptics technology.
Cirrus Logic focus on high definition haptics, trying to bring that technology that we develop for the consumer space into automotive to enable these three things: consistency, immersive user experience, and intuitive response.
For all of the haptic solutions, we've had more interest than ever before, and we've heard of a lot of industry partners who are starting to build POCs for next generation vehicle interiors. That's pretty exciting. I think that the timing is right now as we just launched the latest haptics driver for automotive. The timing couldn't be better.
The biggest takeaway is that a lot of the OEMs are looking to improve the in-cabin experience, and haptics is one of those things that they're adding into the new vehicles to be able to create better user interfaces that are more intuitive for the end user.
I would say the biggest takeaway is, as always, just the networking that we're able to do, the customers we're able to meet, and partners that we're able to meet with on collaborative efforts that we may be doing.
Being in cabin is all about presence. Being seen by OEMs, tier ones as an equal partner and a solution provider to them.
InCabin is a great place because a lot of the OEMs and tier ones that are related to these type of applications come to the show and they understand the products that we are promoting in the market, and they can share some of the challenges that they have in the current system implementations, and we can come up with solutions for them.
This is all about turning it into a collaborative experience that adds value to the user. I can't wait till level 3 is here, and what I want it to be is a collaborative experience, and I want the vehicle to make me feel like we're doing this together. I think when that happens, the market will instantly flip, and we'll have many people putting that on their shopping list for new vehicles.
So all in all, this is just another successful showing for Cirrus Logic at InCabin.